Hi there, it's Grant here. In today's video, I'm going to run you through the most profitable ad campaign that I have ever run. I think this is going to be incredibly exciting for you, especially if you run your own business, you're an affiliate marketer, or maybe if you're a media buyer for clients, and you just want to generate some quick, fast cash. This is the one ad campaign you need to be running right now. I'm incredibly passionate about this campaign. And I'm just going to walk you through it in this video. So if you're excited to watch this video, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. So okay, let's get on with the video. Now, as I said, this is the most profitable ad campaign I've ever run in my whole life. I've been as an affiliate marketer, this one ad campaign has generated me multiple six figures in commissions. It's such a powerful campaign. And it's got massive results for my clients. And it's called the Google Adwords Cash Machine ad campaign. So as you know, as the name says, you use a very specific ad campaign with Google Adwords, but basically targets buyers with big buying intent. Now, how did I discover this campaign? So basically, a couple of years ago, I was working for ClickFunnels. They were my client. I was a media buyer, and I was managing all of their Google Adwords campaigns. Now, through working with them, I suddenly saw the power of this campaign, and it's basically called a Google Search Ads brand campaign. Basically, it targets product names or the brand name of a company that you are basically advertising. That's why it is so strong. And I learned the power of this working with ClickFunnels. Some of the campaigns were maybe only running $100, $200 a day, but they were generating thousands of dollars a day in revenue and profit because the cost per conversion was so low, but the profitability on the acquisition of a new customer was so high because of a big buying intent. And that's where I learned the power of this through working with ClickFunnels. And I took that knowledge and I launched the affiliate marketing business. And like I said, it's helped me earn multiple six figures. And at times I was earning over $1,000 a day with this one ad campaign. So if this works for you, if you own a business, if you're an affiliate, or if you're a media buyer. 2, it targets buyers and people with big buying intent. So in order to set this up, you just set up a Google search ad campaign. You need a live and set up Google AdWords account. But once you've got that, set up a Google search ad campaign. What you want to do for your keywords is you want to target the brand or product names that you're promoting. So say, for example, you're an affiliate. Just say, you're an affiliate and you're promoting a product such as Alphalete, which was a red hot affiliate offer on ClickBank. So what you do is you would create a Google search ad campaign. In one of your ad groups, you target the product name Alphalete, as it's got massive search volume for that because it's so heavily advertised. So you target on, a keyword like Alphalete and, buy Alphalete now. And then basically what you do is you set up your ad and then you drive traffic to a bridge or sales page. If you're an affiliate, you need to create a bridge page because you can't promote affiliate links directly from within Google AdWords. So you create a big bridge page, drives traffic to the sales page, and you start $10 a day. And this is how this works. It targets buyers, and you basically direct them to the ultimate goal is to send them to the sales page so that you can generate sales fast, either if you own your own business, if you're an affiliate, or if you are a media buyer. And you can start this campaign simply at $10 a day. This campaign is so crazy profitable, especially if you've got a high search volume for the products you're promoting for the product terms, especially if there isn't much competition from other affiliates. You can make an absolute killing. You could be making $200 to over $1,000 a day, especially if the search volume is high for heavily promoted products. It is crazy. And if you own your own business, if you're not running this campaign, you're leaving money on the table. So if you own a business, you're actively marketing your business on social media or through something like Facebook ads, you need to run this campaign because this will bring extra customers and revenue for your business. So what I'm going to do now is take you inside my AdWords account and just show you one of the campaigns that I ran as an affiliate, show you how this basically works. So a couple of years ago, I was promoting an affiliate offer called One Ticker Trader. It's in the Financial Lease. It's a financial newsletter, but this product was red hot. Had solid search volume for the product name, which is One Ticker Trader. So what I did, I just literally, this was the only keyword I had in the campaign. So I just bid on the product term. Basically, yeah, I then drove, I created the ad, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I drove that traffic to a bridge page that I created. I don't think I've got the bridge pages anymore, unfortunately, to show you. But basically, I created a bridge page, which is basically a summary of the offer. And then from that bridge page, people could click a button and then go to the main sales page, and they could buy this product. And as you can see here, I had many different campaigns running for this. This is just one. But this campaign, the cost to acquire a new customer was $48, got 12 conversions. But my payout on this was about $150. So I was making near enough £100 per sale, you know, for every new customer I was acquiring. And at times, this cost per conversion, if on a good day, that could be as low as, you know, £10 to £15. It was really low. You could literally make over $1,000 a day. And the secret to the success of this particular campaign was this was a red hot product, especially when it first launched. It's being marketed heavily by the company that owned the product, so it had good search volume. People were wanted to buy it, so they're searching Google, One Ticker Trader. I just put my ad in front of those people and creamed off a lot of the sales. As simple as that. So let me just show you the ads. So this is an example of the ad I ran. So it just says, I just read basically opportunistic trader. That was the name of a publisher. The product, make money in any market with just one ticker. And then basically what I did, I drove traffic to my bridge page. It's as simple as that. You know, it was so simple. You know, nothing crazy. It was this campaign just, yeah, it was just absolute money. And here's some of my ad stats for this particular ad. I think there are other ads as well. 22 sales, £47 per sale. Spend a total of £1,000. You know, I was getting a payout of about $150. You do the maths. Yeah. I think this campaign probably made over £3,500 to £4,000. So, yeah, making a 300% return on ad spend. This is the power of this campaign. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you this campaign. It is so powerful. If you're not running this campaign in your business, if you run a business, or if you want to be an affiliate marketer, I'd definitely run this campaign if you're allowed to. Or if you're a media buyer, you need to be running these campaigns for your client. Super powerful. Now, if you're interested in having one of these ad campaigns set up, I can help you. I've got a gig set up on Fiverr. I'll link to the gig down below. And I've got various packages. So if you want me to set one of these campaigns up for you, I'll link to this page down below. I can set up a campaign for you straight away and let you just set it live. You know, and I've got different packages, you know, simple ad campaign with management, and then full-on management. So if you want me to do this for you as either an affiliate for your business or as a media buyer, I'll link to this down below, and basically you can place your order and I will do it all for you. Also, I've got a newsletter, online business side. I've got 2 levels. I've got a free I've got a free newsletter where I'll give you weekly traffic and conversion tips, so you can generate more traffic, leads, and sales. But I've also got a paid version which goes deep into all of these different topics, so you can generate more traffic, conversions, and sales. I do a monthly newsletter. I've got masterclass posts, the whole shebang. So you can start off with a free one, no problem, or you can upgrade to the paid newsletter, which I think is going to be absolutely awesome. So I'll link to that down below as well. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.